In the Harmony Music Library, select the menu icon on the top left corner. Select Blocked List. The tab Blocked will contain songs, artists, or keywords that have been blocked. To unblock an item, select the circle / symbol next to the list item. To add to the blocked list, select the tab Add to Blocked. In the search field, enter the keyword, song, or artist to block. Review the tab's tracks, artists, and keywords to see the search results. To block a song, in the tab Tracks, select the circle / symbol next to the desired song or songs. You may also preview the song in this tab. To block an artist, in the tab Artists, select the circle / symbol next to the desired artist or artists. To block a keyword, in the tab Keyword, select the circle / symbol next to the keyword. After you have completed all desired blocking, select Save. You will be navigated back to the Harmony Music Library. Songs or artists can also be blocked as they are playing. To do so, in the Harmony Music Library, select Now Playing. If you have multiple sites, you may see Sites instead of Now Playing. Select Sites and then select the desired player. To block a song or artist currently playing, in the blue box, select Block. The tab track allows a song to be blocked at all locations, or simply a singular location. The tab Artist allows an artist to be blocked at all locations, or simply a singular location. Make your desired selection and select Block. The song or artist will no longer appear or play in the designated locations. To simply skip the song or artist without blocking, select Skip. Previously played songs will display under the blue box. Follow the same instructions to block previously played songs or artists. Once all desired blocking has been done, select the back arrow to navigate back to the music library.